To add an extra item to an existing rental agreement, go to the Extra Item module and choose Add Extra Item. Fill in the details of the item accordingly. Click the Save button to save the data. The item can now be included in the rental agreement. To add promotion, go to the Promotion module and choose Add Promotion. Fill in the details of the item accordingly. And then click Save. The promo code you just created can now be used in rental agreements. To use the extra item and promotion you created in the rental agreement, go to the Rental Agreement module and choose the relevant agreement. Scroll down and click the Update Rate button. On the top right corner, click Edit and a form will pop up. Look for the plus button at the top left corner and choose the extra item you want to add. Indicate the quantity to reflect the amount in the total column. To add the promotion code, click on this plus button. Enter the promo code and click the Add button to apply. You'll see that the prices will be automatically adjusted. Click the Save button to save the updates you made. There you go. You'll see a confirmation banner here to inform you that the modifications you made were successfully saved in the system.